I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Talaga namang itong ating couple na sila Donnie at Belle ay deserve nga ang mga ganitong awards na kung saan ay wagi nga sila as male and female makabata Star Awards sa Anak TV Seal Award 2025. At ngayon nga guys, itong ating Donnie Pangilinan nga, hindi nga lang isa kundi dalawang awards ang natanggap dito. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
I just want to say to the youth, check up on your friends, please. You'll never know what people are going through. And if I may say, you are loved, you are valued, and you will always be enough. Maraming salamat po. To God be the glory.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa award na ito. Since nag-speech na po ako, I'll just take this time to thank my family. Maraming salamat sa parents ko, of course my siblings, Ella, Hannah, Ben, Solana for being my rock and my support system. Thank you to my ABS-CBN family, my Star Magic family, and my team. And I dedicate this award as well to my supporters for being there for me through thick and thin. Let's continue to make the online world a safe space. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations again.
Iyan nga guys na kung saan ito nga rin ating Donnie Pangilinan ay wagi nga rin sa Net Makabata Star Awards. At dalawa nga ang natanggap niyang awards dito, ang Makabata at Net Makabata Awards. Kaya naman sobrang blessed nga talaga ng ating couple. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more update.